Hi there, students. To bring about, to bring something about. This means to cause change, to make something happen, to trigger, if you like. We use it especially for changes in a situation. So, when he stopped drinking alcohol, it brought about a great change in his character. If you decrease the interest rates when people borrow money, this should bring about an improvement in an economy. This medicine has brought about a great improvement in his health. Maybe if there's another scandal with the politician, it will bring about his resignation. So it means to bring to pass, to make something happen. If you stop trying to translate from your native language, it will bring about a great improvement in your English. So, bring it about. So it's a separable phrasal verb. You can't use this intransitively. It needs a direct object to bring something about. Now, maybe your next question is formality. As phrasal verbs go, it's probably neutral. It's more formal than most neutral verbs, most phrasal verbs. I would strongly recommend using this for an informal conversation, although I think you could probably use this phrasal verb in your essays as well. I might not use it in something really formal. I think bring something to pass for a really formal situation, but to bring about. So, to bring about, to make something happen, especially a change in the situation. A decrease in interest rates brings about improvement in the economy. The scandal brought about his resignation. Okay? And remember, to bring is an irregular verb. Bring, brought, brought. So, brought it about. What brought this about? What caused this? You've changed your mind. What brought this about? So anyway, bring about, make happen, trigger, cause to change. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.